Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the PhD admission notification in one of the IIT, that is Indian Institute of Technology. So here the huge vacant seats are there from the multiple departments, and there is an opportunity for the non-UGC NET candidates also. And the candidates who are selected for the full-time research, then the total the 30 plus scholarship schemes are available from this institute. Okay, so from this institute and apart from this institute, all the scholarship schemes are mentioned in the official website itself. So it is a very good opportunity to get the PhD seat in the IIT. And before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And please share these videos to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is IIT Gandhinagar. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. Here you can see that IIT Gandhinagar is looking for bright and dedicated young scholars interested in research to join us as PhD scholars. So currently we are offering the PhD programs in biological engineering, chemical, chemistry, civil, cognitive science, computer science, earth science, electrical engineering, history, language and literature, materials engineering, mathematics, mechanical engineering, philosophy, physics, political science, psychology, social epidemiology and the sociology. So here the prospective students satisfying the eligibility criteria are encouraged to acquaint themselves with the research areas of our faculty members for suitable match of interest, and IIT Gandhinagar also offers a start early PhD fellowship with additional financial support for exceptionally qualified undergraduate students from select colleges wishing to start on a direct PhD program after BTech. And coming to the important dates, from 2nd November 2020, the application submission deadline, and the 11 November 2020 announcement of shortlist, and the 22nd to 28 November online interviews will be there. That means here there is no written test, you will be directly called for the online interviews, that too. So there is no offline interview also. And you can find out the list of scholars who are doing the research work currently in this institute. And coming to the eligibility criteria, at least 55% of marks or 5.5 CPA marks in the MA or MSc or BTech or MTech or equivalent degree in appropriate branches. And if you want to get the minimum eligibility criteria for each and every department, so click on that one, then you will be directed to here. So here they mentioned for the biological engineering what is the qualification required. So most of the departments, they are not asking for the UGC NET, so only for the, so just like the chemistry, applicants must have qualified NET JRF for the GATE examination not earlier than the 2018. So only one or two departments they are asking for the UGC NET JRF qualification, and for the remaining branches or the disciplines, UGC NET is not required. So it is a very good opportunity. And coming to the financial support, click on this one. Students joining the PhD program as a regular will be considered for the institute fellowship based upon the following norms. So the postgraduate students in basic science with NET or GATE qualification, or the graduate degree in professional courses BE or BTech with NET or GATE qualification, or postgraduate degree in professional courses. Okay, postgraduate degree in professional courses, ME or MTech, etc. 31,000 rupees per month they are going to get. Okay, so here for the postgraduate degree in the professional courses, they don't require the NET or the GATE qualification. And if you want to check out the more number of scholarship schemes, then click on this one. Then here in the website itself, they are going to show you the scholarships instituted by the donors. So huge number of scholarship schemes are there here. So if you want to check down any one of the scholarship scheme and its eligibility, just click on that one. Then and the scholarships instituted by the IIT Gandhinagar itself. So these are the scholarship schemes, and the few financial aids also given here, and the research travel grant also given here. That means if you want to attend to the conferences, the research travel grant also available to you if you satisfied the norms. So these are all comes under the financial aid. So it is a very good opportunity to you guys to avail based upon the any one of the financial aids. If it is suitable to your as per your qualification, then you can apply for this one. And different admission categories are there: regular type, continuing the doctoral programs, Okay, so these are the two different types, and the admission procedure and the application procedure. Okay, and the focus areas. So what are the areas they are focusing on? So for example, if he belongs to the civil engineering, click on that one, then it will be directed to the whatever the research areas they are focusing on. Okay, and you can apply for the PMRF also, that is the Prime Minister Research Funding also, fellowship also you can apply. So a lot of opportunities are there for the financial assistantship once if you got the PhD seat in the IIT Gandhinagar as a full-time or the regular scholar. So don't miss this opportunity guys, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is specially for the candidates UG NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020 guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is AshwiniK. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay. So in my profile link, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET Electronic Science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you guys.